It's Instagram's fault again. Instagram put me at this again. Anytime I go on Instagram's app, I swipe 1, 2, 3. The next slide is Temu. Temu left, Temu right, Temu front, Temu center, Temu backward. I don't know. How much are they paying on ads? Someone should tell me. Hello, my co-host. Welcome back to another review with Taylor Says. Today, we are going to go into the business of Temu. Temu that is everywhere. But before we get right into this review, please don't forget to hit the like button. This is the only way you can support this channel. The more you hit the like button, the more YouTube algorithm gets the signal that this video is highly informative and send it to more larger people that have the same interest to view this content. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and leave a comment if you have heard about Temu. Have you used them? What do you think about them? Yes, it's just from swiping to sliding into Temu's website just to see some of those sleeky products that they are showing me. If if it really looks nice, can I see more? If it's good, I can put it on my shopping basket, or maybe just buy one to try. The same experience I had with Bell when Instagram was flashing it on my face. I decided to shop one of the products that I really love, and what I bought versus what I got wasn't funny. If you haven't seen the video, please click this link above to watch it. But after watching this one, you can go watch that one. So from sliding in to have a look, I said, okay. I can't believe what my eyes is seeing. I can't believe what my eyes is seeing. These products are unbelievably affordable. Unbelievably affordable. More affordable than Primark, Amazon, Alibaba. Where else? This is the most cheapest website of everything I have ever seen. From sliding in to have a look to saying, let me put one in my shopping basket, and look what your girl ended up with. Let me have a look. Let me add one in my shopping basket. I ended up with these guys. So now we are going to unbox these products to testify if what I ordered versus what I got is in good quality, matching with the extraordinary, almost unbelievable price. So let's get right into this review. To avoid making this video so long by opening these two packages at once, I will review Temu clothing in this video and then Temu accessories in the next video. Remember to check out our social media and blog sites at www.tellnotoftailorsays.com. The links are down the description section. So let's get right into Temu fashion world. Let's go. I am going to start from this one first. What we are going to be looking at is this one. I will call it news shirt. So yeah, this is the shirt. I call it news shirt. What do you think? I feel it's tight on me, even though I like the design, but I still feel it's tight on me. The quality is good, but if I had gotten one size bigger, I would feel more comfortable, because I feel like I'm gonna outgrow it very soon. But this is giving a good vibe. Look at it, the button here. I love the way they use this button to give design, and I love these write-ups. It's not too much. So this is giving really good quality. You can never tell that it is a very cheap wear. Oh, Perfume Handbag. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. This is just how it is. Came with a hand. Beautiful, huh? Giving sleek. Beautiful. I love it. Here is another one. I got this. So yeah, and this is how the back looks. So here is how this looks, right? This is how it looks. So this is nice. A shoe from Temu. There we go. From Temu as well. Just take a look at it. It's really looking sleek but super affordable. Look at the low heel. That's the one that took me. The comfortability, 2 inches. You know, I love it. Simple, beautiful, affordable. But like I always say, until I wear it, I will now testify of the durability based on longevity of use. So that's the next clothes. This is a dress. So this is another cloth I bought from Temu. It is super short. Definitely I can't wear this as a dress because it is too short for me. It can go for some people. Yeah, I'm gonna be wearing it inside to wear suit or something else, but to wear it out like this, it's not your girl. That's not me. I don't wear skimpy like this. No, I'm not gonna feel comfortable. So this is how your girl is probably gonna wear this dress. So this is me now. So I'm gonna rock it like this and go wherever I wanna go. And let's top it up with a bag and see. With Temu bag, look, your girl is rocking this design. I love this detailed design. The fabric is super good. So you now wear it with a high-end quality skirt or pants and off you go. Your girl is good to go. Here is the bag. I've not removed the chassis nylon, but obviously you know it's gonna giving, you know. So this is good. This is really super good, giving class, you know. What do you think? Let me hear you at the comment section. You know, this is it. Your girl is ready to hit the road. Okay. This is another one, another top from Temu. This is how this one goes. Oh, another dress that I bought from Temu, a belt. It's really lovely. Look at that. Look at that thing down here. Look at the full design, how it is. You see? It's really giving the vibe. Look, it's really giving the vibe. I love it. I love it. I love it. See? This also is from Temu. So this also is from Temu. Look. Oh my God, I love this. Look at the heel. Well, designer inspired. Look. The quality and the finishing touch is looking really great now, but only time of usability can testify to its longevity without breaking. You know what I mean? You will hear from me still if it happens very soon, but if not, I shall tell you still. It's really well made. Okay, let me put it on. Cool look of the whole stuff. My God, the shoe looks so comfortable, so super comfortable. It looks super comfortable to walk on the shoe. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's giving the vibe, the vibe, the vibe. So let's go to another one. This is typically for winter. I got this typically for winter and I love it. So this you can wear with leggings or jeggings in winter. It's cardigan. I love it. This is for cold. I love the feel. It's long sleeve. This can shield you from cold. It's giving every vibe of protect me from cold, protect me from cold. That's the vibe it's giving. And I am rocking it with a shoe from Temu. It is tight, but I think it's gonna expand. Here I'm rocking it with the Temu other shoe I bought. It's really comfortable, but I feel like it's tight for me. I should have gotten 43. This is actually, I think this is 43. Maybe it's gonna expand, I don't know, but I really love what I'm seeing. I love it. What do you think? Let me know what you think about all these Temu buy.
The quality of these wears looks really good and the fabric feels really good on the skin as well. The finishing touches is neat. They did a good job in getting the products to look like high street styles original on sales, but they are just designer inspired copies. Longevity is not considered here until I wear them a couple of times. But before I wrap up the whole shopping experience review, check out the unboxing of the second package in the next video, Temu accessories and kitchenwares, where I made general review of all the Temu shopping experiences of what I ordered versus what I got, plus how much I really saved shopping from Temu website. My lovelies, I'm sure you love all these shoppings. Well, this is it for this Temu fashion shopping haul review. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment your thoughts on Temu app and share. Use my code to buy to get even more discount on discount and download the app. All links is down the description section,
including the link for you to shop using my code. So this is where I will say thank you for joining the review today. See you next week in our next review. One love. Bye bye bye. See you.